Hello, welcome to DNKS Legacy Productions. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to be a short video. We make a number of devices to make our jobs easier when we're doing productions. And this video is about a behind the scenes look at one of those boxes that we use in production and how it works. I'm talking about these boxes, and I have to switch cameras and walk over to those boxes. And these are the boxes I'm talking about. This ATEM Mini Pro that I have set up in the box. It's just a regular toolbox from Home Depot. It has the ATEM Mini Pro. It has the HDMI cables for HDMI cables I can use for my cameras, and the hard drive, the ceramic lavaliers, and various other support wires in there for that. This box can't actually carry all of the support stuff that I need, so in this other box is the rest. I have the couple of cameras. I can actually have room for a third camera if need be. I have a router and switch in here for connecting up a laptop if I need control. But most of the times I just use, and you'll see in the video, I didn't even use a laptop. I just use the case and other cables and various peripherals that I use depending on the type of job it is and how much I actually really need. But you'll see in this video I just needed this case, a bag with the this bag with the and this case, and that's what we used. And it takes less than a half an hour to set up, and we're ready to shoot. So without further ado, roll the intro. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Was your father a principal or a teacher at Vox?
He was, I know he was a counselor at Vox. He might have been a history teacher as well, because he majored in history in college.
So he was.
His first degree is in history.
Gotcha. I was down there this morning. They were having some activities. The school is back up and running, and I've become connected with them through a local community group. And it's called Vox Big Picture High School.
Right.
And I was down there taking some pictures on some stuff they were dedicating out front. So I made a connection, new friends, and I was just curious. I knew that he was there. I thought he was a teacher.
Now, I don't know that he wasn't. In fact, I think he did both, because I don't remember him working at another school
Okay.
before Vox.
Right.
And I know he went to Temple to get his student stuff for counseling.
Gotcha.
So I'm just not 100% sure, because at that time I was really a little kid. I was just born.
Right, I got you. That is our history.
I wasn't even a little kid. I was a baby.
I double checked with Paul, he is, I told him that we were here, we'll see him around 3 o'clock, he confirmed that for us. Good.
Why I have the Love Boat theme song stuck in my head.
Sometimes you get a tune that you just don't know quite where it came from. Because jazz show on Tuesday, they did a song when they came back from the break to start the second set. I knew it was a Herbie Hancock tune, but I could not place the name of it. Everything else they did, I knew the name, no problem. But this one, I just couldn't place the name of it. So I had to ask the guy, I said, what's the name of the tune?
Hold on.
Sure.
What's up, Mikey J? Alright, how you doing, man? Yeah, son, though. Tomorrow, where we gotta go? Yeah, I could probably do it tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, what kind of, style is it? Yeah.
Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
Alright. What time tomorrow morning?
This is not you, is it?
No.
I picked up the wrong book.
No, I got a flyer.
Um,
I have a flyer.
Okay.
When in doubt, I keep a flyer.
Good, because I didn't
I'm
realize
mind
until I
reading
opened
that,
up
cause
the,
I'm not trying to
Here you
wait
go.
from 10 to 6.
I
We can-
opened up the,
We can improvise.
About 9.
wait a minute, that's not the right book.
Alright, I see.
So I can improvise.
Alright,
Okay, that's good.
I'll see you in the morning. Later.
Thank you.
I could probably work these glasses off too. Let's see.
Oh,
Glasses on, glasses off. Far away shot.
man, we gonna do faraway shots, especially with one person.
Huh?
I said, especially with one person, we gonna do.
Well, not too close. I've been up since 4.
Well, I didn't go to bed till 1, so we about the
You
same.
live that lifestyle of a player out there. You live that life.
No, I was at home.
Well, the computer at home-
You was already at home, huh?
Working on video.
And see, that's what I get sometimes, I put, like, say the game was, I put the game on the radio, and we working on video, game goes off maybe 10 o'clock, still wrapped up, and I don't go to bed maybe 12, and then wonder why I wanna get up at 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. And I feel like the day is wasted, but you were up till like, you know, almost the crack of dawn, but you was enjoying what you was doing. Which was
Yeah, and it was a mission I had to accomplish. I had to hit another hospital today, and I have to get up there early just to get on the bus to get to my destination. But I caught the incoming and the outgoing crowd.
Cool.
I had no intentions of being up that,
When you're trying to get the mission, when you're trying to get the mission accomplished, it
yeah.
won't always be like this. But at least I'm doing my work. There's no satisfaction unless you do your work. No reward.
Now, see, while you guys were over there, I'm doing some editing of pictures I took this morning. Down the street at Robert Forks Junior High School, which is now in full high school.
Vox.
Mm-hmm.
Up there for 24th and Master.
23rd.
23rd, where PHA has all of their programs and whatnot. At the most exciting time in my life right now.